Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa pamilihan dahil bibili kami ng mga ingredients para sa macaroni salad. Dahil nga Mother's Day, di ba? Itong mga bata kanina nag-uusap, gagawa daw sila ng paboritong pagkain ng kanilang mami, which is syempre macaroni salad. At maya-maya pupunta din kami sa bookstore dahil gusto din gumawa ng personalized na card para sa kanilang mami. Yung sweet, di ba?
Let's talk about fruit. What's your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruits are apple, strawberry, bananas, oranges, and watermelon.
Ooh, I like that too. How about you, Danica?
I like watermelon, strawberries, grapes, cantaloupe, honeydew, and apple.
Yeah, right. My favorite fruit is barbecue. Oh, I'm just kidding. I like apples too and mangoes.
Ooh.
What's mommy's favorite fruit?
Mango!
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of mommy, do you know that it's almost Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Do we have a plan for mommy?
No.
How about making her something? What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good
Make
idea.
cards.
Oh yeah, so let's make her a Mother's Day card. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. How about making mommy her favorite food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good idea, right? What's her favorite food?
Macaroni salad.
Oh, that's cool. Let's make her macaroni salad then.
Yay!
Go here, come on. Ate, pakuha naman ng chicken po. Thank you so much. Look at that, guys. Here's the latest choice mayonnaise. Right, this one? Yeah, who's gonna carry this?
Me.
Oh, it's heavy. It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's get a macaroni. And then we're gonna shop for the other ingredients, okay? Here it is. So guys, nakabili na kami ng mga ingredients para sa macaroni salad. Excited na ako, magiging masarap to. Kaya mga daddies at mga kids na rin, tulungan nyo si daddy na gumawa ng macaroni salad dahil siguradong masasarapan si mami dyan. At eto nga, no, gumagawa na rin sila ng cards for Mother's Day. Diba, it's the thought that counts. Hindi nyo kailangan gumastos ng malaki para bumili ng mamahaling card. Siguro mas ma-appreciate ni mami kapag kayo yung gagawa niyan. Ready na yung mga ingredients, so nabili na namin. Ngayon, ipe-prepare ko lang muna. Guys, how's everything going? Good. Okay. Daddy will just leave you for a while. Continue doing that. That looks so awesome. I'm just going to prepare the ingredients, okay? I'll see you later. How are your cards? Wow! Can I see it, please?
Fine. Sure.
Wow, that's so pretty. How about you, Danielle?
Please.
Can I see it?
Sure.
Wow! Whoa! I'm sure Mommy will love it. I'm also done preparing the ingredients, guys. Do you want to help me make the macaroni salad now? Okay,
Yeah.
come on, let's do it. Okay, hold on to your card. All right, let's make the salad! Woo! Okay, guys, ready na kami para gawin yung macaroni salad. Oh, tignan mo, excited na sila. Ito yung mga ingredients na nandito na lahat. Mga daddies, napakadali lang nito. Kayang-kaya nyo itong gawin. At kahit yung mga kids din, tulungan nyo yung inyong mga daddy na gawin itong macaroni salad. Super easy. Siyempre, matutuwa si mami. At siyempre, exciting din, di ba? High five! Yeah! Okay, let's start with the macaroni! Okay, give me the macaroni first. Niluto ko lang to batay sa package instructions, okay? Para talagang tamang-tama lang yung pagkakaluto. What is that? Yan, nahulog tuloy. Pero okay lang yan, di ba? Masaya. So, here is the macaroni. And how about the chicken? There you go. Thank you, Danielle.
You're welcome.
Good. Itong chicken, guys, pinakuluan ko lang to, eh. At yung pinagpakuluan nga pala sa chicken, guys, yun yung ginamit ko na pagpapakulo sa macaroni para yung lasa ng manok. Siyempre, no, masipsip ng macaroni para maging masarap talaga itong ating salad. Tapos, once na kumulo na yung chicken, simple lang, guys, inasinan ko din pala para lang magkaroon ng konting lasa pa na extra. And then, sininad ko lang na nag-cool down na. So, yan. Hahaluin ko lang muna to, eh. Oh, you can put that in too. Tapos maglalagay din tayo ng carrot. Yeah, I can put it right now. That's fine. Yan. So ito namang carrot ay hiniwa ko lang ng malilit na peraso. Tinotoss ko lang ito muna ha. And then the raisin. O yan, masipag si Danny ka maglagay. Okay, good. And then what's that? Yan, ito naman yung sweet pickle relish. How about putting in the bananas? Oh no, that's what? Oh, that's the pineapple. Yeah. So ito naman yung pineapple tidbits. At ito naman, yung bell pepper. Itong bell pepper, guys, ano lang to, optional ingredient lang, eh. So, pwede kayong maglagay niyan kung gusto niyo. Naglalagay kami nito kasi, unang-una, nagbibigay ito ng masarap na lasa, manamis-namis. And at the same time din, guys, nagbibigay ng contrast, di ba? Mas gumaganda yung kulay ng ating macaroni salad. Yun, tinutos ko lang muna lahat ng mga ingredients. At syempre, guys, gagamit tayo ng Lady's Choice Mayonnaise. Ito talaga nagdadala sa macaroni salad. Okay, lalagay lang natin dito. Nasa sa inyo kung gaano karaming Lady's Choice Mayonnaise ang gusto nyong ilagay, ha? Sa akin, gusto ko talaga yung creamy. Yung aking macaroni salad. Diba? Kaya naman, generous ako pagdating dito. Danica, can you put the cheese?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just put everything there. Good job. Whoa. Shake it off, shake it off. And then guys, here's the salt. No? So aasin na lang natin ng konti lang para magkalasa din. I mean, extra flavor. Yes. You taste it. Go.
Salty.
Yeah, that's why it's called salt, right? Okay, put that in there and I'm just gonna toss everything together.
I'm gonna try one, please.
Yeah. So guys, nakita nyo, di ba? Yung pag-prepare ng mga ingredients, simpleng-simple lang, napakadali. Tapos, yan, paghahalu-haluin lang natin. Tapos yan, kapag hinalo natin ito at feeling niyo kulang pa ng Lady's Choice Mayonnaise dahil gusto niyo talagang rich and creamy, feel free na magdagdag pa. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. So pretty. I can't wait to taste it. I'm sure Mommy will love it. What do you think?
She will.
She will, right? Wow, look at that, guys.
I just want to eat it now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna taste it now. Don't worry. Here. I think I mixed everything together. I'm gonna get a little bowl over here. Whoa, look how creamy that is. You wanna taste it?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Good job. That's so nice. I'm sure Mommy will love it. Good job, Danica. High five. Woohoo!
Where are we going? It's a surprise. Okay.
What is that? Whoa!
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you! Wow,
This
from
is supposed to be a little
Bento.
piece.
So nice. And this one is from you?
Yeah.
Wow, love them. Thank you.
Hey, that's not all. We have something special for you too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the girls
What
helped me
another
make
surprise.
this.
Wow.
Of course, it's
Who
your
made
day.
that?
Yummy, right? Para sa aking pinakamamahal na asawa at sa aking ina. At syempre, pati na rin sa lahat ng mga mommies out there. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat.